how you doing? Today we are going to talk about right here. This one is a battery tender. Okay, this one is very helpful when you keep your scooter in garage for a long time when you don't use it. If you keep this one connected to your motorcycle, your battery will last longer. Since the Gy6 engine motors, they have a very small battery, is a 12 volt 7 ampere, and they're made in China, they don't last for a long time. So the best thing is to place a battery tender when you don't use your scooter. Okay, battery tender, their price is between $15–16 to $30 online. Okay, they're very useful, they're very good for your battery. Your battery will last a really long time. Instead to last 1 year, your battery will last 3 years. Okay, so that would be great. And then when you start your scooter, your battery will be there for you. Okay, so they come with a plug for the wall right here. They come with a long cable so you can put in your garage, and there is a connecting cable right here. Okay, really long cable right here. That's great for the garage, so you can connect your scooter. They come with this one, okay, with a LED light that lets you know when it's charging and when it turns green when your battery is charged. Okay. They also come with these alligator clamps. Those ones, they're great if in the winter you like to remove your battery from your scooter. You're going to connect these ones to your battery and put the battery inside the house or inside the garage or in a secure place where it's not going to be too cold for your battery. Okay, now they also come with this one. This one, I mean, is a 3-day solution. 3 day, 1 week, 1 month solution. Okay, this one they always stay connected to your battery. Okay, and they have a little connection for the charger. Okay, now this charger only charge about 12 volts and is about 2 or 3 amperes. Okay, so it will charge very little the time. This one is not really a battery charger, this one is a battery tender. Okay, this one will charge the battery in a very slow way. Okay, so if you need to recharge your battery because your battery doesn't work anymore, or you left your battery without a battery tender for a long time, this one will take about 2 days to recharge your battery. Okay, but if you have a battery charger, it will take you 2 or 3 hours to recharge your battery. Okay, now to mount this one to your Gy6 scooter, you're just gonna need this one. Okay, this is the cable with the leads over here. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna connect it to your battery and place it in a location where it's going to be easy for you every once in a while to connect your battery, your motorcycle, to the outlet. Okay, to the charger right here. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, the battery on your Gy6 scooter is underneath your carpet. Okay, now you elevate your carpet, you can see your battery. If you see, my battery is higher because I have a larger battery. Okay, because I like to have my battery a little more reliable than a Chinese one. Okay, this one is a 12 volts 9 ampere instead of the Chinese that are 12 volt 7 ampere. Unfortunately, this one is taller, so I cannot put the cover of the Gy6 and keep this one closed. Okay. Okay, what are we going to do? We're going to install these cables for the battery charger. This cable comes with two connections that they go to the battery right here, and there is also a fuse. Okay, let me see how the fuse is. Okay, the fuse is a 7.5 ampere fuse right here with the cable. Okay, now this one we're gonna open up That's how long is this cable is. So we're talking about 2.5 feet, 3 feet, okay? 2 feet, something like that. It's not too long, okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to unscrew the poles and the battery, the screws, and you're going to put this wire, okay? Always first the red wire, okay? Make sure it's nice and tight. Because if you don't have this one nice and tight, it's not gonna make a really good charging connection, okay? Now, after you're done with the red one, you can do with the green one or the black one, the ground, okay? On the other side. See, the process to mount this cord is pretty easy, okay? Make sure you do the right thing, the red with the red, the black with the negative pole, okay? Now, right after you connect these ones, make sure you put this one in a location that is not too close like to the exhaust or is not too close to where it can melt, okay? Make sure that it's pretty comfortable to you to put it where you like to put it and where you like to connect it, and it all depends where you're going to park your motorcycle, okay? If you park on the right side, if you park on the left side, if the outlet is close to your bike, make sure you put it in a good location, okay? You put this one in a good location where it's going to help you to connect it easier for you, okay? You don't want to trip on any wires, you don't want to make a mess with the wires, you don't want to pull the wires, okay? Make sure you put the connection in a good way, okay? Now what you can do, you can put it right here, you can put it up front right here, you can put it on your carpet, it doesn't really bother this one. You can keep it back here, not too close to the exhaust, okay? And also has a little cover, okay? So it's not going to get damaged. So what you can do, you can put it maybe back here. Where's the plastic? See, you can put it right here, you can make a little hole right here, and you can put a zip tie. So this one is not going to go anywhere. Little hole right here, you pass a zip tie, and this one is gonna be okay. So when you like to connect the battery tender is right here. Very easy for you, okay? So just make a little hole, put a zip tie so it's not gonna go anywhere. The rest of the wire, make sure you put it where is the battery, okay? Okay, now at this point, the only thing you have to do, you just uncover this one. When you park your scooter, you plug in the connection, and it only goes one way. There is no way to switch them around, okay? You plug in and you plug this one to the wall, okay? So your scooter will be charging all night, all day, whenever you're not running the scooter, and will keep the battery alive and live longer, okay? That battery is gonna live a lot longer than the regular batteries, because now you're gonna keep that battery alive with this battery charger, okay? right here, it tells you when the red light is flashing, the connection is bad. When the red light is solid, the battery is charging, okay? When the light is flashing green, the battery is nearly to be charged, it's almost charged. When the LED light is green solid, that means that your battery is charged, okay? So this is very interesting. That will help you out to give you a little idea of the battery charger, what it's doing, okay? So at this point you can plug in this one to the wall and you can charge your battery, okay? Now remember, this is not a battery charger, it's a battery tender. A battery tender will take a lot longer to recharge your battery, okay? This one will keep your battery alive, it will not charge your battery. Okay everybody, so the game is pretty easy. Connect the cables to the battery, run the cable back here, okay, on the left side or on the right side, doesn't matter where you park your motorcycle, okay, where is more comfortable for you, okay. Put a little zip tie over here or glue so it's not gonna go anywhere, okay, this line. And at the end you can connect your battery tender, okay, so you can keep your battery alive. At this point you can close back your battery, put the cover, and you're okay to go, okay. Thank you very much everybody for watching my video. I hope you enjoy. Feel free to subscribe anytime you like, and drive safe everybody. Thank you very much for watching my video.